Hi guys, welcome back to Divine Times 2. Hope you are doing well, keeping yourself positive, busy, and healthy. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make coconut milk and Japanese curry flounder. This dish is creamy, satisfying, and the Japanese curry spices give it an amazing flavor. Can't wait to show you how to make this dish, so join me in the kitchen and let's get started. In a large bowl, I have 2 pounds of flounder. This flounder was previously frozen. If you are also going to be using frozen flounder, thaw them in the refrigerator for 8 hours or overnight. Drizzle the juice of 2 lemons all over the flounder. Cover and marinate in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. In a large pan, drizzle 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Then add 1 small diced red onion, and 2 medium thinly sliced carrots. Stir and cook over medium heat until they are tender, about 7 minutes. Once the vegetables are tender, add 5 minced garlic cloves. Stir and cook for about 1 minute. Then sprinkle 1 tablespoon of S&B Japanese curry powder over vegetables. Stir and cook for 1 minute. Then add 13.5 ounces of unsweetened coconut milk. I am using the brand Native Forest. Stir well and bring the coconut milk up to a boil. Once the coconut milk is boiling, add 1½ teaspoons of salt. Stir and place flounder into the coconut milk mixture. Do not add the leftover lemon juice into the coconut milk mixture. Spoon some of the coconut milk over top of the flounder. Cover and cook at medium heat for 7 minutes. After the 7 minutes, uncover and sprinkle 2 sliced green onions over flounder. Stir, taking care not to break the flounder, and give it a taste. If at this point you think it needs more salt, then add to taste. Stir carefully and add fresh cracked black pepper to taste. And sprinkle 1 teaspoon of sugar. Stir carefully and cook for 1 minute. I served this delicious coconut milk and Japanese curry flounder over jasmine rice. The result, a wonderful dish full of aromatic and tasty spices like coriander, cinnamon, ginger, turmeric, thyme. The creaminess of the coconut milk and the vegetables make this dish pleasant and satisfying. Hope you give this recipe a try. You are going to love it. Well, guys, thank you for watching. Give us a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed already, please do, so you won't miss out on any of our future videos. Remember to stay kind, positive, and divine. See you next time. Love ya. Bye.